people around the world talk about Louisiana, they picture beautiful wetlands, and we know the whole state is in wetlands, but that's what they picture, and that's what Louisiana was built on. The fisheries, everything that we have, or sportsman's paradise. Where Wetland Watchers Park is today, it was the fastest disappearing part of land all along Lake Pontchartrain shore. And my students, myself, and our partners transformed that into a beautiful park into what it is today.
All of this park was lake. We built a breakwater from the jetty to the mouth of the bayou. So everything you're looking out here has been reclaimed land. Here, if you look out in the lake about 600 foot, that's where the shoreline was just about 60 years ago.
When people ask about the Wetland Watchers Service Learning Program, to me it's really logical to take kids out of the classroom, put them out into the environment, and let them learn by doing. Middle school students basically are trying to figure out who they are. I hope through Wetland Watchers, when I give them the opportunity to go out and make their community a better place, well, I'm hoping this is something that sticks with them for the rest of their life. Shell has been our partner for over 20 years now, and they'll always hold a special place because they were one of our first supporters. They were one of the first to send volunteers out to help. Whenever we called, Shell was always there. When you're involving so many students with things like this, we need a lot of equipment, a lot of materials to make these activities work. And so we can dream up all these ideas, but the partners like Shell are the people that make these dreams a reality. And this program has allowed me to make a bigger difference than I ever could have imagined in their lives and in our community. I believe education and conservation work together to create change because the kids have to learn about something to care about it. By giving these students an opportunity to get out in these wetlands and experience it, I think that's how we're sustaining the Rhythm of Louisiana.